What's up, Kia 2 Technical? So today I just wanted to show you how to resize your icons on your Samsung device using Good Lock and the Home Up module. The reason why I wanted to bring this to your attention is because I totally forgot that you are able to resize your icons. As you can see, the icons are kind of big right now. But they can be even bigger than this, but they're kind of big right now. And I did not care for them being this big. I was like, man, I wish I could make my icon smaller. And then I went into I went into Good Lock. So you go into Good Lock. And you want to make sure you have the Home Up module. Once you get inside of the Home Up module, you want to hit Home Screens, and then you want to go to App Icon Settings. So originally mine was turned off, but then I turned it on, and once you turn it on, then you want to go inside of the app, the app, and this is what you will be greeted with. So as you can see, the icons are a tad bit bigger than what I would like. I have this set to 105%. But if you want them a little smaller, you just drag your finger across. I'm going to put them at 90%. That's as low as it goes. And then when you go out, they have gotten a lot smaller. So if there's people out there that have a Samsung device, this will work on your Samsung device as long as you have a Good Lock running, and as long as you have the Home Up module running on your device. You'll be able to get this on your smartphone, Samsung smartphone. But this just makes it look a lot cleaner than what it already was. You know, it wasn't bad at first, but they were just a tad bit too big for me, and now I am satisfied with having them a lot smaller. It just looks a lot cleaner and nicer to me. But like I said, you would just want to go into your Good Lock. I'm gonna show you one more time. Just go into your Good Lock app, make sure you have Home Up installed. If you do not have it installed, you need to install it. Once you install it, you just click on it and let it do what it's going to do, and then you just hit on Home Up, and then you want to go to App Icon Settings. You want to make sure it's toggled on, and this way it'll let you have access to resizing your icons. But the lowest you can do is 90, and then the highest size you can have is 105%. I wish you could go a little lower, but they do not allow that. But I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.